Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Tuesdays with T Mills Realty Group. As always, I am your host, Terry Mills. I just want to thank everybody for the great feedback first, man. We have been getting tremendous feedback, and we're going to just keep this thing rolling, and I hope today is going to be as beneficial as the past few videos. So today, I decided to bring in a special guest, great friend of mine, but also a great guy that's very well established and supported in the mortgage industry here in Birmingham. And he can speak about mortgages better than anybody else in this building. So, with that being said, please welcome Stephen Michael Washington from First Bank. Everybody. They're clapping. You can't hear me.
Okay.
But anyway, I wanted to bring Stephen in today to really just talk to you all about the approval process as far as what the banks are looking for and how do you do an application and all that good stuff. So let's dive on in, man. You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so first thing I guess people want to know is, what does the application process look like? Is it long? Is it hard? Is it something that is stressful? Can they do it from a phone, et cetera, et cetera? So if you would kind of just walk them through what your application process is.
Yeah, the application process is very simple. There's various ways that you can complete an application with us. Obviously, I would prefer over the phone because I would love to have a conversation with you, talk about what your needs are and things of that sort. But you can also apply online on my website and in writing or in person. But it's a real quick 5-10 minute process where we talk about your needs, your information, background, employment, income, assets, and just kind of gather some information so that we can determine what your needs and what you can get approved for.
Okay, so let me expand on that a little bit more. Okay. So when you say you're looking for a certain thing, are you looking at credit score? And if so, what credit score are you looking for? And as far as income, what are you looking for? Is it more so that the credit score just gets them approved, or is it more so that the income, or is it both?
Yeah, it's several factors. So it's not one specific thing that we're looking at. So we're looking at credit score, which would go down to 600 credit score. But we're also looking at your income, the amount of debt that you have, your credit history, and the amount of assets that you have as well. So it's all of those things put together, and we look at it holistically and not necessarily individually.
Okay, perfect. So let's fast forward. Say a client comes to you and they get approved for $150,000, okay, right? $150,000. What kind of mortgage payment would that be? Well,
at $150,000, you're looking at roughly a payment of $1,000, and that $1,000 is all inclusive. So it includes your property taxes. Okay. It also includes your homeowner's insurance, so you're not going to pay that monthly or annually, because we're going to pay that for you out of your mortgage. So
excellent. Okay, so to put it simply, the average person in Birmingham is probably spending $700 to $1,000 a month in rent. So if you look at it from that standpoint, monthly you can afford to buy a house. In Birmingham, average price point is around $170,000. So there's definitely a way that you guys can be a homeowner. Besides the payment, let's kind of talk about down payment. Okay. If you kind of walk people through what that looks like.
Yeah, so there's several down payment options. You have actually some programs where it doesn't require down payment at all, USDA and VA. But then your other programs, they range from 3% up to 15-20%, depending on what your needs are and what you're trying to accomplish. But there are also down payment assistance programs as well that are available if you don't qualify for USDA or VA loans. So there's a lot of options to help you get into a home.
Right, cool. So just to expand, I guess, kind of on $150,000, since that's what we're talking about. On an FHA loan, and correct me if I'm wrong, 3.5% down is the requirement, which comes out to a little bit over $5,000. So income tax season is here. I know people are going to be getting money back. I would strongly encourage you to start saving, and if you're getting a tax return, please put that to the side, and we can get you in the house. So I think for the most part, those are the main things that people want to know about the financing side. Do you want to add anything?
No, it's just call us and let's get you in the home.
Okay, cool, man. Well, listen, I hope today was insightful. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, it is your dream. Let us make it come true. Y'all be blessed.